In the grand theater of existence, many men beg, plead, and chase after the affections of women, only to be met with indifference or disdain. But the wise, the resolute, and the unmoved man, the man of discipline and self-mastery, finds himself pursued instead. Why? Because desire is drawn to that which is rare, to that which is untamed, to that which cannot be controlled. The secret to making any woman chase you is not found in tricks, manipulation, or false bravado. It is found in something ancient, something timeless, Stoic power. Let us strip away the illusions, the trivialities, and the empty pursuits. If you wish to be the man whom others desire, you must first become the master of yourself. 1. The man who is not moved. Picture him, a man who does not flinch in the face of rejection, a man who does not seek approval, who does not crumble under the weight of another's indifference. He walks through the world with an unshakable sense of self, and in doing so, the world bends to him. Such a man is rare. In a society where validation is currency and attention is begged for like scraps at a king's table, the man who does not seek it becomes a force of nature. Why do women chase this man? Because he possesses something most lack: self-sufficiency. His validation is internal, his emotions are his own, and in a world of desperate men, this makes him magnetic. How to become this man? Embrace indifference to outcomes. As Epictetus said, we suffer not from the events in our lives, but from our judgment about them. If a woman walks away, she was never yours to begin with. Master your emotions. Do not react to the world. Let the world react to you. Build a life of purpose beyond desire. Women follow men who follow something greater. 2. The man who walks alone, but is never lonely. You have seen him. He enters a room and is content to stand alone. While others clamor for attention, he remains centered, as if the room is his even without a single word spoken. He does not chase because he does not need to. Why do women chase this man? Because solitude is power. The man who is content alone signals to the world that he does not require external approval. Women, by nature, are drawn to a man who does not need them, but whom they wish to be needed by. How to become this man? Cultivate solitude. Learn to love your own company. Meditate, train, read, and forge yourself in silence. Speak less. Move deliberately. Words are cheap. Presence is priceless. Develop an internal fortress. As Marcus Aurelius wrote, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. 3. The man who commands respect, not attention. Look around you. The world is filled with men performing for applause, men desperate to be seen. They seek admiration, not respect. And in this, they reveal their weakness. The Stoic man does not beg to be noticed. He forces respect through action. He does not flex, he builds. He does not boast, he demonstrates. And because of this, women and men alike look to him with admiration. Why do women chase this man? Because respect is the foundation of attraction. Without it, desire fades into dust. How to become this man? Live by principle, not approval. As Seneca taught, associate with those who will make a better man of you. Welcome those whom you yourself can improve. Do what is difficult. When others choose comfort, you choose challenge. Strength commands respect. Speak only when necessary, and when you do, let your words carry weight. The man who controls his desires. There is no greater weakness than the man enslaved by his desires. Look at him, always chasing, always longing, never satisfied. He is ruled by impulse, shackled by his need for validation, and easily discarded when his use expires. Why do women avoid such a man? Because he is predictable, he is common, and that which is common holds no value. The Stoic man, however, is different. He controls his impulses. He does not need, he does not crave, he is the master of himself. How to become this man? Practice discipline in all things. A man who can control his hunger, his anger, his lust, and his ambition can control his destiny. Detach from outcome. Love is given, not taken. The moment you chase, you have already lost. Embrace discomfort. As Seneca said, it is in times of security that the spirit should be preparing itself for difficult times. Train now, so that you are never caught unprepared. The path forward. To make any woman chase you, you must first stop chasing yourself. Stop running from discipline, from solitude, from the challenge of self-mastery. Instead, turn and face it. Become the man who does not need to chase, and you will find that the world and those in it will chase you instead. This is not a trick. This is not a game. This is a way of life. The world belongs to the disciplined. Women desire the unshaken. Become him, or remain as you are, and be forgotten.